Regardless of the ongoing COVID-19 crisis, it is still a good time to be in travel. While we expect the industry to change in the next few years, there are some evergreen strategies you should consider adding to your strategic plans if you haven't already. Here are Hack Central's 10 travel agent tips and tricks. Number 1. Have a business plan. This will help you to organize your mission and vision for your business. It will also provide structure and direction. Be sure to include goals and the deadline for completing each. Your goals should be measurable, challenging, and achievable. Go back to your business plan from time to time to check if you are meeting your targets. Number 2. Always be on the lookout for promotional opportunities. If you are looking for something, you will always find it. Opportunities to promote your brand come in many forms: public relations, social media, forums, blogs, commenting on other people's blogs, and more. It's also a great idea to become the go-to for media outlets, directories, and other publications in your niche. Be active in your community. Attend fundraisers, meetups, networking, and other events. You never know when an opportunity will present itself, and it's a good idea to be ready. Number 3. Use social media strategically. Don't randomly post pictures and comments. Develop a campaign. Create a series of related posts about a topic to grab interest and that will encourage people to follow you to find out more. For example, for 1 week, dedicate posts to all-inclusive resorts and another to Caribbean getaways. Number 4. Give yourself daily tasks and deadlines that lead to a major goal. Giving yourself daily deadlines will help you to be more productive. It also helps you to audit your progress as you work towards your monthly, quarterly, and annual goals. It also breaks up the work into manageable chunks so that you can get more done without feeling overwhelmed. Number 5. Treat every client like your business depends on it. Customer service should be your number 1 priority. The personal component is the cornerstone for travel agents. Customers want to know that they can put their confidence in you and have nothing to worry about, except showing up. So, get back to your clients directly and, if possible, meet them in person. Be a good listener and be curious. Find out what is essential for them: pools, large rooms, a view of the ocean, or air conditioner. The more you know about your clients is the more you can plan a vacation package that will wow them. Project your knowledge so that your clients know that you know what you're talking about. Be consistent and responsible. Again, they are depending on you to take care of everything, so they have no worries. And most importantly, be patient and flexible. Number 6. Manage information on your clients. Have a comprehensive knowledge of your clients. Keep a profile on each, noting passport details, dietary preferences, allergies, credit card authorizations, trip insurance waivers, and more. Revisit these profiles annually and have a checklist of what documents should go to each client and when. Number 7. Collect testimonials and ask your clients to refer friends. Use testimonials you receive on your website, social media, and your promotional campaigns. Word of mouth is also the best form of advertising, so encourage clients to refer their friends. Number 8. Stay up to date with technology. Provide information about your client's itinerary, bookings, etc. in the newest format available, unless of course they prefer a more traditional method. This is especially true for older clients. Also, find out how they prefer to stay connected. Do they use WhatsApp or do they prefer emails? Number 9. No job is too small. If someone wants a private half-day city tour, take it. This is a great chance to show off your knowledge and skills. They may be encouraged to book a more extensive package with you later. Number 10. When traveling, have as many experiences as you can. These you can more effectively sell to clients because you have first-hand experience of what you're suggesting. Make your activities varied that accounts for different tastes, from adventurous to uniquely cultural activities to the mundane, such as restaurants to eat at. While you're in a destination, get information particular to that place, such as when to go and when not to, as well as challenges and opportunities. Let us know in the comments if you found this video useful, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more videos like these. And if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.